Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling an important Windows 11 security feature, how to enable secure boot. Whether you're preparing for a Windows update, troubleshooting compatibility issues, or enhancing your system security, I'll show you exactly how to enable secure boot on your PC. Let's start with understanding what secure boot does. It's a security standard that helps ensure your PC boots using only software trusted by your PC manufacturer, preventing malware from loading during startup. First, we need to check if secure boot is already enabled. Press Windows key +R, type sysinfo32, and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for Secure Boot State in the right pane. If it says On, you're already set. If it says Off or Unsupported, follow these steps. Now, let's access your UEFI/BIOS settings. Click the Start menu, go to Settings, System or Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. When your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, then click Restart. Once in your UEFI/BIOS settings, navigation will vary by manufacturer, but generally look for these sections. Security tab, Boot tab, Authentication tab. Look for secure boot options, they might be under Security, Secure Boot, Boot, Secure Boot, Authentication, Secure Boot. Enable Secure Boot and set it to Standard or Full mode if available. Some systems may require you to set a supervisor password first. Disable CSM, Compatibility Support Module. Switch from Legacy to UEFI mode. Save your changes and exit, usually F10. Your system will restart with Secure Boot enabled. Important considerations. Some older hardware or peripherals might not work with Secure Boot enabled. Dual booting with other operating systems may require additional configuration. If you encounter issues, you can always return to UEFI/BIOS and disable Secure Boot. Pro tip: before enabling Secure Boot, ensure your system firmware is updated to the latest version from your manufacturer's website. I know BIOS/UEFI settings can seem intimidating, but enabling Secure Boot is an important step in modern PC security. One of these methods should help you enable it successfully. If this guide helped you enable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 PC, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more security and troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments if you encountered any issues. Thanks for watching.